Hello everyone, welcome to my new blog on Jatayu Earth Center, which is the world's largest bird sculpture. It is located in Chadayamangalam in Kollam district of Kerala. The nearest place is Kollam, which is 38 kilometers, and the state capital Thiruvananthapuram is 46 kilometers from here. And the Varkala is just 27 kilometers. And if you are planning for Varkala, never miss to come here. Let's explore Jatayu. We have to reach the Jatayu sculpture through these cable cars, which is very exciting journey to have. And we paid 531 rupees per person for the entry fees. Jatayu Earth Center is built at a budget cost of 100 crores. The sculpture is 200 feet long, 150 feet wide and 70 feet in height, and it occupies 15,000 square feet of area, which makes the world's largest bird sculpture. According to Ramayana, Ravana was attempting to abduct Sita to Lanka, and Jatayu tried to rescue her and fought valiantly with Ravana. But the Jatayu was very old. Soon Ravana defeated him by clipping his wings, and Jatayu fell onto the rocks in Chadayamangalam. Rama and Lakshmana, who came in search for Sita, found the dying Jatayu, who informed them of the battle with Ravana and told them that Ravana had headed towards south. This statue is the representation of a legend and symbolizes the protection of a woman. It is designed and sculptured by Rajiv Anchan. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.